Hello everyone, Stella is coming again. I am from Renew Company. Today I will still introduce you some popular products in the market. Firstly, let's start this type fast connector. It's aircraft ground fast connector. You can see this part, black part is additional tools. It's like a lock. If you want to lock it, you can down. If you want to open, you can up. Up. And look at this ground and this small part. Do you see? It's fixed cable that you can insert the fiber here. And also have another type. Look at this part, it's different from this. This is ground and this is a nut. And so the operation method is different from these two types. And this two insertion loss is below 0.3 dB, and the return loss is above 50 dB. It can make 20,000 per day. Can you see clear? And also we have this type. This three model sell most in South America market. Also, this small part is fixed cable to inserted fiber. And for this two type, the packing is like this. 10 pieces, one pack. And for this type, the packing is 5 pieces. And there is a good news. Now we have a promotion for these three type of connector. Promotion is PC's price is US PCs is 10.8. 200 PC is $150.8. And free shipping, you pay in 1 week. The free like this packet, a small packet, and it's import tax. As we know, the tax in Brazil is very high. So this way you can save many. One packet, 160 pieces. Do you get this? Interested? Contact me and message. The shipping time is about 15 to 30 days. Okay, next is ONU. Look at this packing. This is 1GE ONU. You can see inside is one GE. Here is POM port is SCUPC. Also, you can change it to SCAPC. LAN port and power on off here. Also, you can, if you want to EPON, GPON, and XPON, also is okay. And here is power adapter. Power adapter in European standard power adapter. And also we have a dual band ONU. Look at this packing. Let's open it. ONU is inside a bag. You can see there also is a SCUPC POM port and 1GE and 3FE and the power adapter. This Wi-Fi is 5 dB. Also, it can be XPON, GPON, and EPON. You can see here 2.4G and 5G. Also, if your quantity is above 1,000, here you can print your logo, free logo. Can. Oh, also there is USB here, USB. And also there is a user menu. English. And here is power adapter and a cable. And power adapter. Okay, next is distribution box. This is 1 to 16 port distribution box. And the back side This back side you can choose it as wall mounted or use a hook as a pole. Here. And there you can print your logo. Lock. Inside is this. This part is waterproof and the level is 65. And here you can put 2 1-8 splitter or 1 1-16 splitter. This color can be black and white. Also, you can see this part. You can choose it like this or the waterproof connector. Both okay. Splash tree. And if you want to put a splitter, you also can buy splitter separately. Only buy splitter is also okay. You can see its packing is OPP bag, and also it can be plastic box. This box cost will be little higher. This is 1-4 splitter SCAPC, and this white fiber you also can make it to color fiber. See this steel tube. Here you can stick a label or print your logo directly. If your quantity above 2,000, here can print your logo free. And the length is 1 meter or 1.5 meter or 2 meter is also okay. And the material for this fiber is G657A1. Also, there is a 1 to 8. This is PLC splitter, and also we have insert splitter. 1 to 8 SCAPC and 1 to 16 SCUPC. This box material is ABS. Two types for you choose. Okay. Next, the product is FTTH toolkits. First, you can see this bag. Here. And back side. First, it's Miller. You can see here is 2 mounts. Also, it can be 3 mounts. 3 mounts can spur the coating of patch code. And the power meter. So you can see back side. Here is a range. It's -7 to 10, and it can be -50 to 6 dB. Optical power meter. The and the pen. Distance can be 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, or 15 kilometers. Also, the key. Its packing is this. And clever, 5 clever. Okay, if you are interested in this popular products, you can contact me. My contact is here. Here. Add my WhatsApp. Contact Stella. Fast connector. Fast connector. connector. And don't forget our promotion for fast connector. Free shipping and the box. Splitter. And the toolkits. Just contact me. Okay, today is finished. Thank you. Bye bye.